Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're gonna be making our own forever island. Yes. Now you might be confused. What the hell is a forever island, bruh? Lock in, son. Okay, so a forever island is this, just everywhere. No farms, no nothing. It's just pure builds. So you know how islands is only 80k blocks minimum, so we're gonna have to take down all these farms. This farm, this farm, this farm, that farm, that farm, that farm, everything's gone except for this and the pixel art. That's it. And then we're gonna build. Once we reach max blocks, we're gonna delete something and then we're gonna build something over it, and it's gonna be really nice. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm low-key rich. I don't need any more money, so I don't need these farms. Now I'm just gonna play islands for videos and for fun. Okay, so this is gonna take a long time to break everything. So let's do a quick time lapse on that. Everybody, that's everything. Oh, this looks so empty, man. Okay, so because we only have one building, let's make another one right now, right here. We're gonna be going like kind of dark fantasy with this, so we'll need some slate. Okay, so let's get to building right here. Okay, so I think we'll make it right here. This looks like a good place to make it. So let's just do the area first, you feel me? Oh, the lag, bro. Okay, so it's getting built right here. Son, what is this lag? Yo, are we dead ass, bro? Okay, it's okay, bro. It's okay, man. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna spend all my money, everything on this island, on right here, cause that's what islands is for. This is what islands is for. It's for building. It's supposed to be just like Minecraft, not trading and everything. You feel me? Alright, so this looks like a pretty good place to start building. Alright, so let me just think. So let's start like with the layout. Okay. So I'm thinking something like okay, so let me get the wood, pine wood and oak wood, because we have the same thing going on over there. Okay, so yeah. Let me remove this 3, 4. Okay, let me also get the planks. Okay, wait, let me think. Okay, for the floor, let's just make the floor. Okay, I think we'll do the same thing as we did with over there. Let's just do, you know, if you know. And now we're gonna alternate in blocks. Okay. think it does look pretty good. This finished product. I'm not really gonna do an inside because I kinda suck at that. If you do, hit me up, but I'm not complaining. Beside the door. Let's go outside. Let's add some snow around here. Snowman. Let me get the Greg's hammer. There we go. Let's just make a lot of snow. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's add a snowman right here. Yo, leave a name for this guy in the comments. What are we naming him? What are we naming him? Please let me know down below. Let's add the door. Just like this. Actually, no, right. Add from the inside, right? There we go. Ooh, so this is the house. Let me smoothen the edges a bit here for a timer. There we go. This is what it's all about. Let's add some bamboo around here. Why can I not place bamboo? Sun. Okay, leave it. Pine tree. Just place some pine trees. Just all around, all around. Ooh. Yes, this is looking kind of fire. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think I should do for the next one. What build do you think I should do? Whether I should do a mansion, a small build, or maybe even a park. Please let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. Did you think it was a good idea to get rid of everything? I don't know. But that's it for today. Peace.